A Beginner's Guide to the 5-Number Summary. First, the basic vocabulary to get us going. First, we have the minimum, which is MIN, then Q1, which is the first quartile, then M, which stands for median, Q3 for third quartile, and max, which is MAX. The median measures the center of the observations, while the quartiles measure the spread of the observations. These are the points 1/4 and 3/4 up an ordered list of the data. IQR is the interquartile range. This is where 50% of the data resides. You can find this by subtracting quartile number 3 minus quartile number 1. We can use the 5-number summary to create a box plot, also known as a box and whisker. For example, Dr. Lane is training for a hot dog eating contest. For 8 days straight, he has practiced eating hot dogs. His totals for each day were 33, 39, 45, 47, 48, 51, 56, and 70. First, we're going to find the median. So to find the median, you cut the data in half. So that since there were 8 days, we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, since that was the middle. So we're going to take 47 and 48 and average them. So that's 47 plus 48 divided by 2, which will give you 47.5, which is your median. Next, you're going to find the minimum and the maximum. So the minimum is 33, since that's the smallest number, and 70 is the maximum, since that's the biggest number. Next, you're going to draw a line between the remaining 2 on each side of the median, which is 39 and 45 on this side, and that's going to be your Q1. So you're going to average together 39 plus 45 divided by 2, which is then equal to 42. Then 51 plus 56 divided by 2 will give you 53.5. This leaves you with your minimum is 33, your median is 47.5, your Q1 is 42, and maximum 70, and Q3 is 53.5. Next, we're going to make our box plot. Now we're going to make the box plot. Just to review, our 5-number summary is above, and we put our numbers, our scale at the bottom. It goes from 30 to 75, going up by 5 at a time. We put Dr. Lane over here on the side because he's our single person that we're looking at right now. First, we're going to start with the minimum, which is 33, and we're going to make a dot over here at 33. Next, we're going to go to our maximum, which was 70, and we're going to put it over here at 70. Next, we're going to find quartile 1, which was 42, and we're going to make a dot at approximately 42. And then we're going to find our median, which is 47.5, and we're going to do it at approximately 47.5. Next, we're going to find quartile 3, which was 53.5, and we're going to place that at approximately 53.5. Next, we're going to connect our quartiles to our minimum and our maximum, which are also known as outliers. Then we will make a box around our other data. This is the median, this is the maximum, the minimum, Q1, and Q3. Now you've made a box plot for how many hot dogs that Dr. Lane ate in 8 days. So based on this data, you would assume that the average number of hot dogs that Dr. Lane ate during all of his practice was 47.5. So when it comes down to the contest, he will eat approximately 47.5. He could eat as many as 70, and he could eat as few as 33.